Hi, Danny here. I wanted to make a very quick video that's showing you a new feature that's coming to Canva. If you're one of the many millions of people who use Canva to create graphics, presentations, infographics and so on, then you'll be really interested in a new feature they brought in which lets you use AI to create images. So if the hundreds of millions of images on Google image search is not for you, you want to create something unique and different, then what Canva have just introduced is a free AI-powered text-to-image tool which lets you create images like this. So that's a unique image created by the AI. I'll show you how to do it very quickly. I've just logged into Canva. I'm going to choose a presentation just to have something to do this on. Now I'm in my presentation. You'll notice down the side here the More button. If I click on More, and then down here you'll notice I can create text to image. So I'm going to click on there. I'm going to click on Use, and then you type in here the image that you want to see. So if I wanted to see and I want that to be a photo, I'm then going to generate the image. And it's produced 4 images that I can use. So if I want those, I can just click on the image and it'll place it to my presentation for me. Let's put 2 of those in there like that. If you're not happy with those, you can do style again, maybe add a bit more information and generate image. Obviously the quality of the images you're going to get depends on the amount of information you put in. This is working in the same way that online tools such as dall-e and so on are working. It's free as part of Canva. If you are on the web version, it's there. It'll also be in the Canva app as well if you're using this on iPads or other devices. So do take a look for the text to image tool. It's free to all users, and maybe you can find just the right image for you that you've searched elsewhere and you can't find the image. The AI will create a picture for you instead that's just what you need for your piece of work. Hope you found it useful. Do let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. I'll have some more videos coming for you very soon. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers, goodbye.